Look, y'all, it's still coming down, too. Them people had on TikTok had y'all looking crazy if you didn't take this shit seriously. Shit crazy out, y'all. It's real crazy. This is way more than 12 inches, y'all. Don't let them people lie to you. Trying to stay out this motherfucking snow. Somebody look like they let their dog take a shit out here. Crazy. This is crazy work, y'all. Look how much snow that is, y'all. These apartments, they ain't clean y'all out. So y'all niggas is trapped in y'all apartments. And y'all hear that, right? This shit's still coming down, y'all. It's still coming down. Look at that, y'all. Snowstorm 2026, family. This shit is real. This shit real in the field, y'all. Word up. This shit real. I'm trying to stay out the way of these damn plows so I don't get run over by them. Word up. I'm gonna walk down this way. Word up. And this way I can at least see the motherfuckers. For sure. I'd rather be walking in to the traffic. Yeah, you gotta have glasses on, some type of goggles out this bitch. Everything, y'all. It's crazy out here. Fucking crazy. Some people say it's pretty. It's pretty if your ass ain't gotta be in this shit. But shit, I'm telling you, if you in this shit is like hell on earth. All them goofy people telling y'all not to buy up the damn store. Nigga, this Virginia. This shit's still coming right now. We gonna be out in this bitch. See, there's some people with Jeeps and shit riding around loving it. But for the most part, we gonna be in this bitch for a minute, especially if all this ice rain comes tonight. We gonna see what happens. They said this shit ain't gonna clear out till like tomorrow. But we'll see, man. We'll see. Cause you see, as much as they plowing, the motherfucking streets get covered in less than a couple of minutes. Cause this shit is out here for real. This the real snowpocalypse. Snowpocalypse now, my nigga. Word up. I just seen, bro, the weed shop is open. I should have went and got me some weed. Fuck all that, though. Y'all stay safe, family. Y'all stay safe. This your boy Breeze Omega. Omega, that's Breeze. This is the Weather Report. Shout out.